On Friday, Elijah Blue Allman showed up in court in Los Angeles for a conservatorship hearing that his mother Cher had requested. Following his filing of a dismissal of his divorce earlier this week, Allman attended the court date with his divorcée Marieangela King. Cher's attorneys represented her. The singer's attorneys contended at the hearing that the suggested conservatorship was a life-and-death decision. The ex parte motion, which the 77-year-old pop icon filed on Thursday, asking for her son to be placed under a temporary conservatorship, was discussed at the meeting. Cher's attorney stated, "We need to be able to receive the money today on behalf of Mr. Allman to just make sure that it is safeguarded and used for his benefit." The ex parte application was finally dismissed by the judge, who stated that because the documents were filed on Thursday, Allman and his legal team did not have enough time to review them all. During the Friday hearing, Allman also asked the court to approve the appointment of new counsel since his previously assigned, court-appointed attorney turned out to have a conflict of interest. The temporary hearing was set to continue on January 29 after the attorneys he recommended were accepted. Cher filed an ex parte motion on Friday asking for her son to be given a temporary conservatorship until the hearing. In paperwork that People was able to receive, the performer stated that in order for the money Allman is owed from his trust to be held and managed for his benefit, the appointment of a temporary conservator is urgently needed. According to the statement, Allman is not currently able to manage his finances due to severe mental health and substance abuse issues, but he is entitled to receive distributions from a trust. The Grammy winner served Allman by email, according to the filings, since she was unable to locate and personally serve him. Because she was concerned that Marieangela King, his estranged wife, would take steps to prevent petition from locating and serving Elijah, she also served Marieangela King by email. Allman submitted an objection to his mother's petition to appoint a temporary conservator before their Friday morning court appearance. He states that no reason exists for the appointment of a conservator since there is simply no emergency that requires it, according to the documents that People was able to get. Allman claims in the statement that he has struggled with addiction and spent money in ways that have not always been the most responsible. He also says that he is prepared to submit to drug tests, attends AA meetings, and is currently under the care of a doctor. According to the filings, Allman says, "I am reconciling with my wife so that we can work on our relationship now that I have found a path to sobriety." According to the filing, Allman also proposed that his divorced wife be appointed as his conservator if necessary. "Under no circumstances am I comfortable having my mom as my conservator," the documents went on to say. "Although I am aware that my mother, the potential conservator, thinks she is acting in my best interests and I am grateful for her love and support, I do not currently require her uninvited assistance or support." With the intention of becoming the only conservator of her son's estate, the Believe singer filed for conservatorship in December, stating that her son is substantially unable to manage his financial resources. Although Elijah is expected to receive trust assets before the end of the year, according to documents obtained by People, Cher said that a conservator is urgently needed to protect Elijah's property from loss or injury because he is currently unable to manage his assets due to severe mental health and substance abuse issues.